Hi, Planner Bestie. I want to set up and add these dashboards here from Rose Shadow Collection to two of my CP Petite planners. And so, if you're interested, hopefully you stay along. I had just got this order here, and this is a thank you card from Rose Shadow Collection. And I just went ahead and hole punched it. And I said I love the design on the thank you card. And I'm going to add that to probably my blackout CP Petite. So, and I just, like I said in my unboxing video, I absolutely love when we get those beautiful thank you postcards because I always use them to make them into a dashboard for my CP Petite because they fit absolutely perfect. Let me know in the comments if you utilize the CP Petite. And if you're new to planning, if you're not familiar with CP Petite, that's a specialized size that Cloth and Paper has created. And it's a 4x6 planner. It's in between a pocket, which is a A7, and a personal ring size planner. So that kind of gives you an idea. It's smaller than a mini happy planner. Let me know in the comments if you use a CP Petite or what other size planners do you utilize. So currently I utilize the CP Petite and I've been using the A5 Spiral Cloth and Paper planner that we received in November box. And surprisingly, I'm still using it. And here we are about to hit July. This is my first time that I've actually utilized a spiral planner consistently. And I'm just surprised. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the spiral in 2027. The only thing with the spiral, now, if the spiral rings were bigger, and that's one thing I would love for Cloth and Paper to do. If we're going to continue to do the monthly spiral, maybe the rings to be bigger so we can add more dashboards and more inserts to it. That would be absolutely awesome if they did that. But that's the only downfall with the spiral. You can add things to it, but you're kind of limited because it's chunky and I really can't add more because the spirals are not that big. So I like the way that looks in this CP Petite. Let me know your thoughts about that thank you card from Rose Shadow Collection. Alright, so now I need to add this one to my blue setup because this is my face. This is my main face right now. It's my blue setup. And when I saw this on Rose Shadow Collection, I said this would be absolutely perfect to add. And if you shop at Rose Shadow Collection, save 15% off with my coupon code Karen15. Alright, so now I just have to decide on where do I want to place this dashboard. Should I just place it here? And let me know your thoughts. Or should I place it on top of the cassette dashboard from Cloth and Paper? So that's just how I have to decide. And I love the way that it looks. Let me get this one frame. I'm sorry. This is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, let me know. Should I leave it under the cassette? Now, should I change my cover to a clear cover? Or should I leave the cassette cover? Let me know in the comments. Because you still can see it, even though I have that cassette cover on it. But I love this blue. It is absolutely stunning. And so I had emailed Lena a week or so ago because she ended up re-releasing her summer LV collection, which has the blue and the orange theme. And it didn't have the CP Petite size dashboard, but she ended up adding it for me. And I'm so excited because I think I might end up doing like a blue and orange theme. Alright, so that is my CP Petites. Now I want to add the magnetic pins that I got from my recent Rose Shadow Collection order. If you want to see the unboxing, check that video out. And I got those pins to add to my LV notebooks. Alright. I always have to add them to something. I always add them either to my planner. So this is the Speedy here. Should I add it here on this page? Decisions. Or should I just keep them on this page here? Let's see how I want to do it. And like I was thinking about adding the other heart to one of my LV notebooks. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it in my LV notebook. I might end up adding it to my planner. So they look fine on this page, but let me move them on this page right here. My goal is to start using this notebook soon. Cause I got this notebook, I think I got it last year. It was either last year or the year before. I can't remember. I think it was last year when I got this. But yeah, maybe I'll just leave it on this page here for the time being. Cause I can always change it, or is it too much? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if that is too busy. Alright, so let me get my other notebook. But like I said, I'm not sure if I want to add it to this notebook or should I just leave it out for one of my LV agendas. But for right now, I think I'm going to add the other heart magnet to this notebook here. Because I already have a magnetic pen in here and I can't remember where I got this pink magnetic pen from. I'm not sure if I got it from Roll Shadow Collection or not. I can't remember. But let me go ahead and place this here. Oh, and these are the stickers that came with the notebook. When you get your notebooks and the LV agenda inserts, they always give you some stickers. But yeah, this LV pen here, the pink one, I can't remember where I got that from. I'm not sure if it was Lena or not. If you remember, if you have it, let me know in the comments. Alright, so that is set up. And now the last item for Roll Shadow is the charm. Now when I got the charm, I wasn't sure if I was going to place it on my CP Petite or what, or place it in my LV agenda. But I think what I'm going to do, I think I want to add it to my AirPod case holder. Cause I was like, I don't have to add it to a planner, and I don't think I want that on the outside of my CP Petite. Where did you place your charm that you got from Lena? Let me know in the comments. Let me try to add this to this holder. Can you see it? But yeah, I said I could add it to this. And I like it there. And then the great thing about it, I can change it out. But yeah, so this is my AirPod case holder. Alright, so bestie, that is basically it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, turn your notification bell to all, and leave a comment, engage with me, and hype my video up, bestie. Toodles!